Hello FPVers out there, this is Aaron. I'm here to show you how to control your head tracker directly with your Fatshark goggles. These are Attitude SDs with the supplied single cable that comes right from Fatshark. That has the PS2 plug, and the other end is the rectangle plug. I don't know what it's called. But with that one cord, you can both power your goggles from your transmitter and control the angle of your cameras. This is with the built-in head tracker and the Fatsharks. To do this, you need to open up your transmitter. This is the new 9XR, but I'm pretty sure it's the same with the 9X. This is a bit of a mess here. Don't mind my work area / coloring central, but you gotta do what you gotta do. But this is where the cord plugs into the back of it. I just have it unscrewed here. It's all still wired in. But on the back of this, there's pins. And of the 6 pins that come in from the cord, 2 of them are not used. And one of them is actually the control wire for this. I'm going to try to get a good zoom here on it. Now to make it work, not working too good. To make it work, you just got to solder a wire from the upper left pin that comes in to the bottom left pin. You can see my little orange squiggly wire there. Just solder those 2 carefully. So that's the top left to the bottom left, and then that will get your control signal into your transmitter to control your head tracking. That's it. It's that simple. I was looking online to build a wire. I was going to try. I tried slicing some wires and everything, and just from reading some forums and scratching my head a lot, I knew the control wire, the PPM wire, was there, so it had to work somehow. Just so you get a good look of it there, the upper left, if you're holding it like this, to the bottom left. If you look, the upper left one does not even connect to anything. It's just a dead lead. And the bottom left one, the bottom left actually connects to the white control wire if you follow it through with your multimeter. And then it's just the one wire going through. So with that plugged in, I have my receiver powered up with my servo and everything there. I'm just using the DJT transmitter and controller because I'm going to set up my RSSI. That's my next step. But pretty simple. Power up. You can hear the goggles beeping. Oh, I got to make sure, get this going. There we go. So, if you see, look at that, I still have my plastic. I don't even want to take the plastic off yet. You can see the bottom 2 here, 5 and 6. That's my servo reads. And if I just move my Fatsharks a little bit, look at that, they're moving. Watch. See? Look at that. Just with the one cable going into the Fatsharks, no power lead or anything, it's controlling my gimbal. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? One wire, nice, clean, easy setup. One battery to worry about, depending how long you go flying for. That simple, guys. The setup for it, very simple in menu. I'll go down. Bear with me. Look at that. Trainer is off. Some people say have it on. I have it off. And then if you go to your... If you go over to your mixing is very simple as well. I just put on channel 5, 100%. You can see it here. Channel 5, PPM 5. Channel 6, PPM 6. 100%. That's it. I can't really get this focused in. But that's it, channel 5, channel 6, and then channel 5, channel 6 from my receiver goes into my my controller. Something to bear in mind, if you turn your Fatsharks, the new ones, more than 90 degrees, you'll hear it beep. It's a safety mechanism. So if I turn it too much or too fast, it'll go beep, and then it'll reset back to center, and then you have to press the button down. Because I was doing that because I was just wafting it around testing. Hear that? Now see, it doesn't work. So my testing, I was screwing it up, so I just got to press the button down, it'll beep. And see, it'll work. Because my testing, I was just holding it like this, and it shuts off. So that was a big headache of mine, because I didn't realize that it was shut off. It's a safety mechanism built in, and my testing, this was hours of testing figuring the silliness out. So once again, reset, Oh, I gotta reset there. There we go. With, just for all the naysayers, with one cord going into my Fatsharks. It's beautiful. One battery. I like it nice and clean, easy for the field. So now I just gotta start putting this, the rest of this bad boy together. And that's it, guys. Please post any input. Post as well if this works for the 9X. I'm pretty sure it will. And happy crashing, guys. Thanks.